ako ng question sa inyo. Nakalimutan lang time. What happened? Adi naku, ano na yun, malaking changes na yun sa portfolio niyo. Just one ano lang yun. Galing 'no? Beautiful. Okay. Pa-check ako dear. Ay naku, it's almost 1 hour. Okay. So, I have to make it, fast already. Naganahan ako kakakuwento. Okay, return potential. So, average rate of return, ARR. Balikan ko lang pala 'no, sorry. Balikan ko 'to. Okay, Sharpe ratio. Okay, the Sharpe ratio divides a portfolio excess returns by a measure of its volatility to assess the risk. Okay, example, okay, ang Sharpe ratio natin ng PSEI is at 0.29 while the fund is at 0.40. It means that the fund is efficient in giving higher rate of return. Intindes? So, ibig sabihin, pag mas mataas ang okay, ano ibig sabihin ng Sharpe ratio? Pag yung ating base of analysis, sabihin natin industrial ano natin, no? Sabihin natin the PSEI para simple lang tayo. The PSEI is our base of analysis. 0.29 ang Sharpe ratio nito. Then it is currently giving 0.40. So no-brainer, it's actually efficient. Ganoon lang kasimple lang 'yon. That's simple banana analysis. Okay? Pasensya na kayo guys ha, I have to make madali. Okay. Standard deviation. I think some of you already knows this standard deviation. Okay, one of the most common methods of determining an investment. Standard deviation helps determine market volatility and spread, average price. No, low standard deviation. Ito no, shortcut. Low standard deviation means prices are calm, so investments come with low risk. Okay. Standard deviation is high means high risk. Okay, what does it mean? STD. STD is 6. Ano ibig sabihin yon? Low or high? Ako na po sasagot ha, kasi we have to, okay, ako naman kasagot. Standard deviation 6 is actually considered as low risk. Standard deviation of 20 is considered high risk. Okay? So, dahil gipit tayo sa oras ngayon, I have to already introduce you to the application. Okay? On the fund. Okay. For a second, mag-shift naman ako to entire window. Ano ba to? Entire screen. Ano ba to? Where is that? Okay. There you go. Okay. Can anyone see this already? Pa-check lang please. Can everybody see the next presentation? For the JP Morgan. Anyone? Pa-thumbs up lang po. Okay, good. Sige, let's proceed lang. Mabilisan lang ito, no? So this is an example